A gift from God. The name Matthew is translated into a gift from God. God gives good gifts, he gives bad gifts. Throughout history, God has given good gifts to good people who serve him and do his will. He's given bad gifts to bad people and bad nations, and when the world is bad, to the entire world, as in the days of Noah. And I know that some good people die as well as bad. The Bible says God causes the rain to fall on the just and the unjust. Just because you're a good person or a Christian doesn't mean that you are above having problems. But the worst hurricane in decades now has come out. Hurricane Matthew, which again is translated into a gift from God. And all these Christians and Christian sites, including one sad rapture site, talks about how hurricanes aren't coming around anymore and wah, 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 wah. Well, here we go. Hurricane Matthew laying waste along a huge trajectory, affecting a lot of people in a lot of places. I'm praying for those people. I'm praying for their salvation, first of all. Then I'm praying for their safety. But again, God gets to the point, and apparently he's at this point right now, that he gets tired of the world. He gets tired of the evil. He gets tired of the wickedness. And he's had enough of it. He's had enough of the world turning its back on him, the world acting like they have no sense, acting like they're a bunch of total heathens, the church acting like heathens. And I believe this is a small taster of what God's about to unleash on this wicked, 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 evil cesspool of a nation. Understand, this world is finished. I don't care where you live. The world is finished. The only protected place in the world is Israel. God will always defend his chosen people. Jesus Christ is your only hope. If you've never been saved or you're backslidden, pray the prayer, do the 6 steps I have in the box below the video, because no one's guaranteed the next day, hour, minute, or second of your life. If you'd like prayer, contact me. I pray for you every day. Christians, your job is to witness and pray for the lost daily. If you're not doing it, do it now. And if you are, great. And look up. Our redemption draweth nigh. We fly soon. Bye.